Forget the Magnificent Seven, the giant tech stocks that dominated the last decade are finally taking a back seat. We are witnessing a historic regime shift in the market right now. For years, microcap stocks were left in the dust. But in the first 2 weeks of 2026, the microcap sector has already outperformed the S&P 500 by a massive margin. Small companies are finally finding their footing. Interest rates have stabilized, and capital is flowing into the corners of the market that were ignored for too long. If you want to find life-changing gains, you have to look where the crowd isn't. Today, we are diving into the specific stocks and ETFs that are primed to explode this quarter. This is the year of the microcap. Let's talk about the individual winners. First up is Orion Group Holdings, ticker ORN. This isn't a flashy tech company. They build the marine and concrete infrastructure that keeps the world moving. With a massive backlog of government contracts and earnings expected to grow by 45% this year, ORN is a fundamental powerhouse. Next, look at EverQuote, ticker EVER. The insurance market is rebounding. Carriers are spending big on advertising again. EverQuote is the bridge between those carriers and the consumers. Their margins are expanding and the chart is screaming breakout. Finally, we have Evolv Technologies, ticker EVLV. They use AI to make security screening seamless. They just switched to a direct fulfillment model. This move is projected to boost their recurring revenue by 25%. In a world that demands better security, Evolv is a clear leader in a niche market. Individual stocks are great, but sometimes you want to capture the whole wave. That is where ETFs come in. The iShares Microcap ETF, ticker IWC, is your primary weapon. It tracks the smallest of the small. It just broke through a 3-year resistance level. When a chart like that breaks out, the move is usually violent and sustained. If you want a more refined approach, look at the Avantis International Small Cap Value ETF, ticker AVDV. This fund looks outside the US at companies fueling the global electrification boom. It returned 38% last year and shows no signs of slowing down. For the defensive investor who still wants growth, there is DGRS. This is the Wisdom Tree Small Cap Quality Dividend Fund. It only buys small companies that actually make money and pay you to wait. It is the perfect balance of risk and reward for this new market cycle. Now, for the traders who want to turn up the heat. Leveraged ETFs provide a way to amplify these moves. If you believe this microcap rally is just beginning, TNA is the ticker to watch. It provides 3 times the daily return of the Russell 2000. When small caps move 2%, TNA moves 6%. But it's not just stocks. Look at AGQ. This is the double-leveraged silver ETF. Silver is currently hitting 52-week highs due to its massive role in solar panel manufacturing. And of course, we can't ignore semiconductors. SOXL offers 3 times leverage on the chip sector. Even as big tech cools off, the chips inside the AI hardware remain essential. These funds move fast. They are tools for the bold, but the potential for a massive pop is undeniable right now. The data is clear, the money is rotating. While the rest of the world is chasing old news in mega-cap tech, savvy investors are positioning themselves in the micro-cap space. Don't wait for mainstream media. The charts say it now. Watch these tickers, manage risk, and prepare for an explosive year.